Let's talk about the mistakes you're making when you design your business card. I'm Lily. Let's get started. Number 1, spelling errors. Humans are notoriously bad at noticing our own spelling errors, so always have someone double check your business card for mistakes. Outdated information. Whether you just got that promotion or your phone number changed, be sure to update it right away. If your information changes often, I'd recommend digital business cards. You can update them as often as you need without any added costs or wait times. Plus, when you update your digital business card, all of your live contacts will receive your most current information, so they'll always know how to stay in contact with you. Number 3, low quality images and videos. It's easy to have high quality content these days, so don't have blurry videos or images on your card. It just looks unprofessional. Number 4, unprofessional profiles. These days, we often network on social media, so sharing those links makes sense, but make sure you're only sharing links to your most professional profiles. A home address. While it's important to share your business location, if your business operates out of your home, we don't recommend listing the full address. Customers are far less likely to trust a business with a residential address, so instead list a city or a state. Mistake number 6, going black and white. A card without color is 10 times more likely to be thrown away, so make sure you include your brand colors and make a more interesting card. Not listing your business. The goal of a business card is to share your brand with others, so leaving out your company name is a huge mistake. Make sure you put your brand and logo front and center, and remember, a logo is often not a clear representation of your brand. Not including a website. The number 1 thing people are looking for on your business card is a website, so make sure people know how to find your business online. Number 9, not including a call to action. When you hand someone a business card, you're hoping they'll do something, whether that's to be a future networking connection or a future customer. Make sure the purpose is clear on your business card. My favorite way to do this is making a business card for every purpose. So make a card for networking and for customers, and maybe another for business contacts. The biggest mistake of all? Not going digital. Digital business cards can solve nearly every problem we've discussed today, and they're more effective. For more information on digital business cards, be sure to subscribe and head to our website.